makes you feel good when you come out of the chamber.
My experience with the oxygen chambers has been a positive one.
People who have wounds probably don't know about it, which is too bad.
Fast track the road to recovery with hyperbaric oxygen therapy, a non-invasive, safe, and effective medical treatment which enables the body's natural process to take over. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy is administered in high pressurized chambers where a patient breathes 100% oxygen while the pressure of the chamber is slowly increased above atmospheric pressure.
It's coming into the back of the chamber, coming down through the sides here, actually coming out through those two white tubular areas there, and it's vented out right there at the bottom.
The increased pressure allows the oxygen to reach bone and tissue, encourage white blood cell formation, promote the new creation of peripheral and capillary vessels, and support the body's fight to heal itself. Hyperbaric Services of the Palm Beaches is the leading provider of hyperbaric oxygen therapy in South Florida, and the center is the first independent freestanding facility in Palm Beach County. Located on the grounds of Delray Medical Center, Hyperbaric Services of the Palm Beaches features 3 top-of-the-line Seacrest oxygen chambers in a brand new state-of-the-art facility. Prior to treatment, vital signs are taken and ears are checked. For diabetic patients, sugar levels are monitored pre- and post-treatment.
How are you feeling, Morris?
Oh, yes.
Each hyperbaric session involves 3 phases: compression, treatment time, and decompression. Patients may experience pressure in their ears, similar to what is felt on ascent and descent in an airplane. Treatments range from 60 to 120 minutes.
There's different pressure protocols set up for different types of treatments. Your wound care treatments go to a deeper depth for a longer period of time.
Hyperbaric therapy has been proven effective for treatment of non-healing wounds when standard conventional wound care has shown no measurable signs of improvement. The breakdown of tissue and lack of perfusion can be the cause of many such wounds.
I have not had a failure with hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Some patients take longer duration of therapy. They may need 75 treatments, some may take 90, but most patients usually resolve their clinical problems within the time frame allowed.
I came to hyperbarics on the recommendation of a plastic surgeon who was working on my foot. In fact, I was in the hospital recently, and he took me out of the hospital because I couldn't get my oxygen on a daily basis. So he said I'm better off at home to get the oxygen every day than I am to stay in the hospital.
Treatments deliver the high concentration of oxygen needed to promote the development of new capillaries for improved healing following surgery for skin grafts and compromised flaps. Dr. Norman Ellison is more than just the medical director of Hyperbaric Services of the Palm Beaches.
I'm a patient too. I've got a diabetic ulcer on my left leg. It's been grafted, and especially when it's grafted, hyperbarics is very useful. And it's made a big change just this last week. It's almost covered over. It's just a small area left.
Necrotizing soft tissue infections, radiation necrosis, osteomyelitis, and radiation injury are other wounds that benefit from hyperbaric oxygen treatment.
And I'm being treated for an ongoing skin cancer, with which the doctors are very, very happy with the results so far. I went to see the reconstruction doctor yesterday. We were talking about putting in a graft, but the wound has progressed so nicely that if I have to have a graft, it will be a very, very small one.
Okay. The benefits of hyperbaric oxygen therapy are not limited to wound care. The therapy has been proven successful in a range of neurological disorders, from stroke to multiple sclerosis to autism and cerebral palsy. Benefits are also being seen in the fields of dentistry, sports medicine, and anti-aging.
I know my foot's healed up, and that's important because they were going to cut off my foot. It saved my life.
For many patients facing challenging conditions with little hope, Oxygen Therapy and Hyperbaric Services of the Palm Beaches are united to help pave the way for a promising road to a full recovery.